Hello everyone, this is Randy with Excel for Freelancers, and I've got an incredible training for you this week. The Field Service Manager. It's going to cover mapping, work order management, a full dashboard, and a ton more. However, there's been a slight glitch. I uploaded this to YouTube just a few days ago, and I got an email back from them rejecting that video, and they say that it violates their harassment, threats, and cyberbullying policy. And they go on to say the content revealing personally identifiable information is not allowed on YouTube. Well, I'm really not sure what they mean. They didn't go on to explain. But of course, this application does include maps and pictures and locations. Of course, the data is all fake. Perhaps that's what they want. Perhaps it was something else that triggered their algorithm to mark my video as something other than what they wanted. But I would love to know your feedback on that. So let me know. I'd love for you to watch the video. Of course, I've got it on a host of other platforms, including Facebook personal profile. I've got it on our Facebook group with now over 50,000 members. I've got it on my Facebook fan page. We've got it on Rumble. I've got it on our Patreon account. I have it also on Vimeo and on our website. So we've got a host of other places where you can learn. It's an incredible training. I really don't want you to miss it. I spent a lot of hard work, and I think you're going to love this 2-hour masterclass on how to handle field service management using Excel, an incredible mapping feature you have never seen before that can be used on any version of Excel. So make sure you click the link down in the description. Of course, I'll have that video up always for you. It won't be here on YouTube unless, of course, I can find out what violated it and then cut that part out and re-upload it. So your feedback is going to be incredibly helpful on this. Okay, great. So I just wanted to take also a quick moment to say thank you for your continued support. Our channel now has over 400,000 subscribers, over nearly 30 million views in our Facebook group, again, 50,000 members. It's been an incredible journey, nearly 5 years now, so thank you very much for your continued support. We'll see you. Don't forget to leave your comments down below or whatever platform you're watching the video on. I really want to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for your continued support, and we'll see you next week.